Hello. Okay, so today we just want to do a recap of the week. So we are looking into EUR USD, our method, next week, and every day. Okay, so the first step we have to do is the top-down analysis. So we look at the market from the long time frame. So for example, this is the 4 hours time frame. Basically, you can see the market is actually trending upwards. So if I make it a little bit smaller, the market is creating lower low, high lows, high highs, high, those lows, high, those lows, high, those lows. You can actually see by this line here that the market has been trending upwards. So I would say in the 4-hour time frame it's trending upward. And then if you go to the 1 hour, okay, 1 hour. What's happening in the 1 hour? Same upward trend. You can see that has been consolidating in here. So it has been creating highs and lows, highs, lows, highs and lows all here. And then there was a breaking structure here, went to the downside, and then the market is back into the consolidation. So here, it just depends on how you prefer to take the trades, but you can take advantages of the highs to enter into a sell, take advantage into the lows to enter into a buy. So I'll just show you one opportunity that was available this week. So if I just narrow down on the 1 hour time frame, you'd see that the market, before it went on the upside, there was a breaking structure here, and then we focus in terms of the origin of that breaking structure. So you'd see that's the candles there that broke the structure, the origin. So we mark this as an order block or an area of interest. So you would see that the market went all those highs and it appeared again on this position. So this was a better position to enter a buy trade because the market has pretty much discounted and you'd expect more buyers coming in again at this price because it actually reflected as an area of interest. It hit here, it has also hit here. So it was a sniper entry. You could have even put up your stop loss just a little bit there and then you still be in profit. So that was a good opportunity. If you go to the 30 minutes time frame, very good opportunity that was available on the 26th, if not 25th. It was around 25th, around 9 o'clock or so. So this was a good opportunity for you to buy. You can see the risk reward is around 4. Very good. A lot of money would have been made here. Moving forward, before and then the market went into the consolidation area. So how do you know that it's a consolidation? It's creating highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. There was a breaking structure here out of this consolidation zone. You can see it was broken by this one, and then it went all the way to this zone again. It tapped into this zone. So if we minimize this, you would notice that this is another good area of interest. Excuse me. There was a breaking structure here, and then basically the origin, of course, was this one, but the market tapped in this place. But honestly, I wouldn't be able to catch this trade. But if you put maybe like an order prior, you're gonna be able to tap into this. But this is the one that I targeted. So you see the market went all the way above. There was a breaking structure here, the origin being this one. And then there was a tiny breaking structure. If you go into the 15 minutes time frame, there was a tiny internal breaking structure here. This candle here broke this structure, and then the origin being this candle here, which I've marked as an order block. And then you can actually see the price reacted to the same place. So it broke the structure, then it tapped again to this price. So there's an opportunity for you to enter even the trade here. So you could have entered the trade even while here. A good opportunity for you to enter the trade. You put a stop loss there, and then in terms of your order, you would have maximized all the way there. Okay. Or if you missed this one, would have even gone for this order here, tapped again in this place, tapped again in this place, a very good area of interest. Would have entered even the trade there. Same approach, top down analysis, going from the 4-hour time frame into the lower time frames, knowing the areas of interest, looking at the break of structures, and then allowing the market to go back to the same place, and then you take advantage of the buys or the sells. So you'd see here, if you enter this trade, it's a very good 5.8 ratio. If you put $100, you're getting out of 588. If you do $10, 58 euro, $58 or something. So very good, very good. Even if you choose to come out of this place, yeah, so it even came out of this place. Would have made some profit here. You see this tab here, or if you are very skeptical about it, you would have taken up a profit even in this price. Okay, so that's how Euro USD has performed, and I've just shown you some of the opportunities that are available in the market. Currently, if I narrow it down, basically, if I move out this thing, what's happening here? There's a breaking structure here. You see a breaking structure. The market went to this high. This candle here has broken this structure. The origin being this area. I've just marked it there. Okay, and then in between here you see an imbalance. So the imbalance would be the gap that is between the candle that has broke the structure and the previously the candle that's coming from the origin. So you have this candle that has broke the structure. You've got the candle in between, and then the candle after that, that would be the imbalance. So you'd see the market would try to clear this imbalance here, and then you'd see it tapped here, it tapped here. So I would expect the price for me to be able to make a buy decision. I would rather allow the price to come again to this place. So I would say the price goes here. I might enter into a sniper entry, and I can be targeting that. See? So that you allow the market to get discounted properly, but we are still being guided by the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame, which is showing the market that is on an upward trend. And even though it's in the consolidation zone, but basically, if it taps into this area, same applies. It tapped here, it went into a buy, tapped here, it went into a buy, tapped here, a buy. I know here there was a breaking structure, but within the same zone. If the price taps within the same zone, we'd expect that the price should continue to go up until hopefully it breaks out this one. And then when it breaks out this one, this area here, this is the new target. You'd expect the price to break this target. If it goes from here, it might break this structure, allow it to tap back, then hopefully you might be entering into another sell there, or you might see the market reacting back. So that's when maybe you might be looking for a sale. So that's how the Euro USD has performed. So in summary, the approach that I normally advise, or I normally explain in my analysis, is the first of all the top-down analysis. So you take it from the longer time frames, and then you go to the lower time frames so that you just understand the trends. So in the 4-hour, it is showing an upward trend. Same applies in the 1-hour. So you actually confirm that the market is going upward. And then once you do that, you need to identify the breaking structures. So I gave you an example where I identified a breaking structure. If I look at the 1-hour time frame so that you can see properly, there's a breaking structure here. Okay, and then once you identify the breaking structure, you identify the origin of the candles that broke that structure. So the origin was here, and then you look for the opportunities where the price taps again into that area. So the price tapped again into this area. This was a good buying opportunity and very good risk reward ratio as well. Okay, now so basically that's the approach. Now the market is still consolidating, but you might take opportunities for the buys here, and then allow it maybe to break this track and then look for more opportunities to buy. So that's me from SCFX MW. So simple approach, replicate the same, and the market is there to give you money. Thank you so much. And then you can put up your comments or questions in the comment section. Any suggestions? We are here to learn from each other. But this is a very good approach, simple approach. If you've got any questions, just pop them up in the comment section. Thank you.